What is up, Merc? Merksterman here.
I got you. I'm with Josh, Ender, and Shamar, and we're about to get jump scared in Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
And everyone, Merc, punch that like button. You know, subscribe today if you want another video like this.
She's so bad.
And if Logsterman or Ender will ever ready up, we'll get into
How do I do that?
Josh is black. I'm Connie.
Josh the W man.
Where is that button, blood?
I'm sorry.
Where is the ready up button?
Press E! Bottom right.
You monkey. Oh.
Yo, comms, everybody. Comms. Let's fucking lock the fuck in.
I got the music playing as loud as I can, so I'm not having no comms. Quickly, through the cross space.
Oh, we need a tool. Logan, where'd you go?
I'm over here.
Blackie. You scared the Jeepers Creepers out of me.
Black in a horror movie where
broke it!
What?
But don't worry, I have super senses or something.
I guess we'll figure out in the edit what the fuck he yelled about.
I don't know.
He's right there.
Look, they're on them, bro. We're good.
I'm dead as fuck. I'm running.
Well, I don't know why you didn't let me do it. I think I have a higher.
Josh, I'm gonna die!
Okay, you're gonna have to open the gate once we get out, right?
Josh, I'm so dead!
I escaped. I'm sorry, Logan.
You are so black.
I blended.
Oh my god!
Victim, what? Who's Grandpa?
Yo,
Don't move!
Don't move.
Ender!
Oh,
what do you want me to do, bro? I'm the ladder!
I wanted you not to move. I feel like I said it.
I couldn't stop moving. I was already going up the ladder.
Wait, guys, this game sucks!
Yo, is this you, Josh? Josh.
I'm out of the basement.
Josh, I see you, Josh. Josh.
I'm in the bushes.
Okay, don't move. Do not move. If you move, I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Who's out there? Who just ran out the door?
Don't move.
That was a killer, because it would have been alerted if it was any of us.
Can I move now?
Yeah. Yes.
So you're lying!
Yeah, you can go. I'm moving.
No. You can move.
Wait, who just went up a ladder?
Me.
Ender, come back.
Stop moving.
Stop moving!
I'll die if I come back.
I'm dead. I'm fucking dead, guys!
Comms.
Cops! Everyone shut up! We're
Guys, this game is a no! Kill me!
We can't move. I'm not even moving my fucking camera.
I'm getting Merc XQ'd. I am getting Merc XQ'd. Oh my god.
Is that Logan?
Help!
Yo, Ender, get rid of the
What?
Logan on the grandpa.
Who's on the grandpa? Is that Logan?
What is that?
That was me.
Ender, like, knock his ass out or something. Punch him in the fucking mouth.
I tried, bro. I tried.
Can I move?
I picked up bones. I don't really know what to do.
Guys, this game is so booty.
I see Ender. I'm going to Ender.
Please have heals. Oh my god, that's you. I was about to run. Do you have heals?
Why are you praying?
You have heals.
I don't have heals.
Yo,
behind you! No, Josh, don't come in!
Motherfucker, no! Ah! God damn it, I tried to...
Get ready to jump in the well,
They're
Shamar.
right next to me, bro. They're right next to me. Kill him. I had a valve on me. I don't know what the fuck
What the fuck?
Yes, I
Oh, he found my footprints. Josh, we may be dead.
Guys,
We are so screwed.
is that a killer? Is that a...
Stop!
Definitely killer.
Josh! I'm recovering!
Yeah! She was a yacht.
Yo, we gotta move. No, they're coming! They're coming!
I can't move the
Captain, you need to get my body and get the valve I had. That's one of the ways to escape is by putting it in something. Oh, I shut that door, by the way. Sorry.
You fucked me!
You better fucking go!
Guys, where are you?
Go, 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 go! Oh my god!
Don't expect to live for long. There's someone up there! Oh, Captain's dead as hell!
Who is Grandpa?
And why does he have the sixth sense on him?
Josh, did you die?
Why
No,
does he
you guys
have
were.
the Sharingan?
Should be right by me. Did you live?
No, Captain's dead.
Guys, they're on my meat. They're on my meat.
Captain's dead as hell. Yep, no, he's dead. I don't know.
Fuck you, bitch!
He just fell. Captain died. He fell on the ground and died.
I see you, Shamar.
Save him! Save him!
Nope. No way, Jose.
Who else is dead?
Ender.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, Captain killed
Oh
him.
my God, guys! I'm
got
just
the
in a
out.
bush. I'm so scared.
I killed you?
Yeah! Hey, if someone... Josh, you saw me die too, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, you need to pick up the valve on my body. That's the one that wastes.
Josh. Oh, I'm dead.
Dude, Johnny is OP, bro. He keeps finding our footprints and shit.
Oh, Grandpa.
He didn't see you.
What do
Log.
I do?
He didn't see you. Log's dead.
Yo, spam space. You run faster.
Oh,
You need to find a well. You need to find a well. You need to find a well. Go! Go!
Don't go down the well.
oh, I'm in a well.
You mean don't go in the well? It's
Ow!
dead.
No, it's right by me.
Hey,
Well,
you know.
You have
Logan,
killed
Logan,
everyone.
get up. They're coming.
No, Josh! That's where they are! Josh is dead.
Log, to your right, to your right. There's a door to your right. To your right again. There you go. Get out.
I may be dead as hell.
Bro, Josh isn't like, he isn't like
No!
that
Oh,
That
you
uncle
was loud
of
as
fucked
the
fuck.
yourself.
dog scene.
That was loud as fuck. What just happened?
Yo, he climbed down the ladder. That's what just fucking happened.
That was so unlucky. What'd I do?
Hey, don't tell me to breathe. Yeah.
Why is your vision all autistic?
Are you gonna die?
Yeah, it's gonna force him out of the locker, and it's gonna be really loud if you don't get out like right now.
Shamar did
Oh,
not know that
please.
was true. He just lied to you.
No, because I was in the freezer and it forced me out.
Johnny,
Oh,
you're
you're
dead.
dead.
Run.
Thanks.
You're dead. You're dead. You're dead.
He's coming! Woo! He found your footprints. You're gonna die. He's gonna
Josh,
follow you straight in there.
footprints,
No.
walking.
Shh. Ready? Die! Dang it!
Hey, look at it!
Oh my God.
Die! Die! Die!
Oh, I think you're the one dying. I think you're the one dying. Oh,
Oh! Oh!
Alright,
Oh!
Win quick
Make-
times! Go,
Run!
go! On crouch, run! Man space, man space!
Go eat!
He's coming!
Get in the bushes!
Get in the bushes! What the fuck are you saying?
Josh, you're not black enough to hide like that.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
There's a well right there. If Johnny finds you again, you can just jump straight in the well.
I'm too black.
He's trying to. Oh, that was such bad.
Come to the
Bad.
well! He's
Oh my
coming!
God! Oh my God!
The well! What are you doing?
Where's the well? Weave!
He's autistic.
You weaved into him.
He's autistic. He's autistic.
The well's over here!
No. Oh my God, he's dead. He's dead.
Run, you faggot, run!
He's gonna jump down and die.
Oh my God!
Watch.
And he's dead.
No, he's recovering. But they're hauling ass to you, Josh, right where you are.
Yep. Okay, you're dead.
What is happening to me?
Get it.
Yeah,
And that's where we end the video, guys. It's been work. No.
All right, well, this has been Merc.
Thank you
If
guys
you
for watching.
enjoyed, Merc, punch that like button.
Subscribe today to join the Merc Nights, and we'll see you on the next
We'll
video.
see you guys Merc time.
And in the next.
When she leaves, I hope you get depression. After that, I hope you learn your lesson. Trying to sound like I'm using a stencil. That bitch Ellie's gonna take flight. Making fun of me for Caitlyn Henschel. At least I didn't date Ava Wright.
What I'm doing right, ain't you a bitch? Horny faggot, so enriched. Want some compliment, so he fit. You're good, and then I